Hi guys, welcome to ELA 30. So I am your teacher, Mrs. Lawson, and I am really excited to be teaching you. This is our fourth quint, so second last one of this school year, and it is a pleasure to be here to help you guys experience all of the Canadian Lit that we're going to go through. So I've been with the Online Learning Center since the beginning of August, which means that I have gone through Quint 1s, Quint 2, Quint 3, and so I have a lot of knowledge and information. So if you guys have questions, shoot me an email or give me a phone call. My number is on the introductory email that you received from me earlier today. So with that said, just a little bit about myself. Been teaching for 12 years. Love it. It's my favorite thing. I have 3 dogs. They are my babies. I love them so much. Love memes, love TikTok. I am, yes, an elder millennial. Sorry, I just can't do the middle part. Yeah, I think like not really much that you care to know about me, but if you have questions, feel free to like shoot me an email or ask them. I guess I'm pretty open about that. So I wanted to just take this time to go over what Blackboard looks like and a couple of things that you're going to be working on today. So you will see my screen and I will walk you through what we're doing. So when you join your online learning, you're probably going to get something that looks like this. Key things to note, you want to make sure that you're going to My Place every day to get to your classes, and they will show up here. So mine, I've got a whole bunch of them because I'm a teacher in a bunch of different places, but you're going to be looking for this one that says 2021 Q4 ELA A30 da 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 da. So you're going to click that, and what's going to come up first is your announcements. So you would have already gone through your first announcement here. And a couple things that I want you to be working on today or looking through or exploring. So we have our teacher contact. If you need to get a hold of me, there's my email, there's my number, there's me, so cute. Course information, this is important. This has a spelling mistake, so I'll have to fix that. It talks about the syllabus, things that we're going to be doing, things that we're working through. Talks a little bit about OBA, that's how we calculate our marks, how you'll be earning those, and what exactly you're going to be doing. So that's all through that course information. You can look through your course materials as well. It tells you how you will be evaluated, some textbooks and email requirements. They're helpful to know. Checking your browser compatibility, all of those good things. Calendars hasn't been completed yet, but this is where you'll find all of your major due dates, and it'll also have a cute little daily calendar, so you can just check on there and be like, okay, today is March 12th, what should I be doing? Oh, I should be reading this, answering these questions, da 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 da. So it splits it up day by day for you. This one here, how to download and submit assignments, is really helpful. Take a look at that, and then help with Blackboard if you have any questions. So that's kind of what you're working on today, and then the other thing I really want you to focus on is this due first assignment. So this is a personal survey that helps me get to know you. It's got some questions about how you like to be addressed, who I should contact if you are unavailable. It gives me a chance to get some different contact information from you and things that you're interested in, and helps me plan my courses in accordance to that. If you are eager and excited, you can start on Unit 1, which is right here, with 1.1, What is Canada? And you can work through the first 2 assignments. So this one is due on March 7th, the day, Monday. So if you want, you can start working on that. You'll also note that on my screen, I've got the next couple units that we're going to be going on. So when we have our live session tomorrow, I'm going to talk a little bit about these. I'm going to go over the syllabus as well, and we're going to talk about classroom norms. So that's really a brief introduction about what's going to be happening in Blackboard. I think on your screen you are able to see where your grades are. If you click here, yeah, so that'll help you as well. Talks about what assignments you are doing. Do not go here to get what assignments you're working through. Okay, this is just to help you know what you need to be working on. You always want to be working through the course itself to get to the assignments, because otherwise you're going to be missing key information. Yeah, so really that's all that I have to tell you. Pretty easy. Today is also a nice, easy, chill day for you guys. Just explore Blackboard, explore my course. Let me know if you have any questions, and that is about it. So I hope you guys have a good day and that we have a great course together.